Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the United States saw a significant surge in inflows on November 21st, as Bitcoin inches closer to breaking the 100K barrier. According to data from Value, the 12 spot Bitcoin ETFs logged $1 billion in inflows on Thursday, extending their inflow streak to 4 days, which netted over $2.8 billion in total inflows during this period. Notably, the inflows seen on November 21st were the highest in the last 8 trading days, surpassing the $1.11 billion recorded on November 11. BlackRock's EBIT led the pack for the second consecutive day on Thursday, with $608.41 million entering the fund. BlackRock has already recorded a cumulative net inflow of $30 billion since its launch. Fidelity's FBDC and Bitwise BITB also contributed significantly, with inflows of $300.95 million and $68 million, respectively. ARK and 21 Shares ARKB, Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust, Franklin Templeton's EASBC, and VanEck's HODL added to the positive momentum, reporting net positive flows of $17.18 million, $6.97 million, $5.7 million, and $5.56 million, respectively. Grayscale's GBTC was the sole outlier on the day, reporting outflows of $7.81 million, bringing its total net outflows since its launch to $20.26 billion. The remaining Bitcoin ETFs reported zero flows for the day. Total trading volume for these ETFs stood at $7.1 billion, significantly higher than the $5.09 billion recorded yesterday. BlackRock's EBIT alone saw a massive $5.22 billion in trading volume. The significant inflows recorded on Thursday came as Bitcoin surpassed 99,000, setting an all-time high of 99,261, just around 3,740 shy of crossing the 100,000 price barrier. Analysts and experts predict that Bitcoin will reach this major milestone within the week, driving more investor attention toward Bitcoin ETFs. Bitcoin ETFs are already highly popular, and their popularity is likely to grow even further, especially after Bitcoin surpasses 100,000, bringing renewed attention from mainstream media and traders alike, said Georgi Verbitsky, founder of TYMIO. In a statement to Crypto.news, Cadden Stadelman, chief technology officer at Komodo Platform, explained to Crypto.news that Bitcoin ETFs have little historical precedent. He noted that recent net Bitcoin ETF inflows have significantly exceeded Bitcoin supply issuance, highlighting its unique inelasticity. Clearly, investors anticipate long-term growth in Bitcoin ETFs, which are on pace to surpass gold ETFs in net assets. Meanwhile, the 9-spot Ethereum ETFs experienced a significant drop in net outflows, with $9.05 million in outflows recorded on November 21st compared to $33.47 million the previous trading day. The majority of the outflows on the day came from Grayscale's ETH, which saw $27.08 million exit the funds. Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust also reported $4.11 million in outflows. These outflows were partially offset by inflows into Fidelity's FETH, Bitwise ETHW, and VanEck's ETHV, which recorded inflows of $16.79 million, $2.89 million, and $2.46 million, respectively. Verbitsky suggested that Ethereum might enter its strongest phase in the future, particularly if regulatory conditions improve, potentially under a Trump administration. He noted that the DeFi ecosystem has faced regulatory pressures that have hindered its growth. With a clearer regulatory framework, an ETH ETF could see accelerated adoption. At press time, Bitcoin was up 1.8 in the last 24 hours, trading at 98,945. Ethereum saw much higher gains of 8.1, exchanging hands at approximately 3,369.